Have you ever tried pairing coffee and chocolate together? It's a symphony of flavors that's simply magical. The bitterness of coffee finds its sweet soulmate in chocolate, creating an irresistible combination. The rich, robust aroma of coffee is beautifully complemented by the smooth, creamy notes of chocolate. This dynamic duo is more than just a treat for your taste buds. It's a sensory experience that takes you on a journey of delight. And now, we're going to introduce some easy-to-make chocolate coffee recipes you can try at home. Ready to explore the world of chocolate coffee at home? Let's dive into the delicious realm of mochas and chocolate-infused coffee beverages. First up, we have the classic mocha. This beloved concoction is a delightful blend of strong espresso, steamed milk, and rich chocolate. It's as simple as melting your favorite chocolate into hot espresso and topping it with foamy milk. Next, we're going to venture into the territory of chocolate-dipped coffee. Just as it sounds, this involves dipping your coffee beans in melted chocolate and letting them set. The result is a sweet and crunchy twist on your usual cup of joe. And then we have the chocolate coffee smoothie. This is a refreshing fusion of cold brew coffee, banana, and cocoa powder, blitzed in a blender for a frothy, chilled treat. Now that we've whipped up some delicious chocolate coffee, let's discuss which varieties of coffee and chocolate pair better together. Ever wondered which coffee goes best with dark chocolate? Or if milk chocolate is a better match for espresso? Well, let's unravel this flavorful mystery. When pairing coffee and chocolate, it's all about balance. Imagine a dance where both partners move in harmony, each enhancing the other's strengths. That's what we're aiming for. For a robust, bitter coffee, think intense dark chocolate. The rich cocoa flavors in the chocolate balance the bitterness and bring out the coffee's depth. On the other hand, a light roast coffee pairs beautifully with milk chocolate. The coffee's subtle, fruity notes complement the creaminess of the milk chocolate, creating a delightful symphony of flavors. And what about white chocolate? Try it with a medium roast coffee. The coffee's balanced acidity and body will cut through the chocolate's sweetness, resulting in a perfect match. These pairings are not just delicious, they also come with some health benefits. Now, isn't that a delightful bonus? Who said indulgence can't be healthy? Not us, that's for sure. Allow us to lift your spirits with a bit of good news. Your favorite duo, coffee and chocolate, are not just irresistible treats, but they also pack a health punch. Let's start with coffee. This dark elixir is a rich source of antioxidants, which are essential in fighting off harmful free radicals in our bodies. Studies have also shown that a moderate intake of coffee can boost your cognitive function and might even help protect against certain types of dementia. Now let's talk about chocolate. Dark chocolate, to be precise. This sweet indulgence is not just a mood booster, but it also contains flavonoids, another type of antioxidant. Plus, it's packed with minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc. However, remember the golden rule: moderation is key. While coffee and chocolate have their benefits, excessive consumption can lead to unwanted health issues. Now let's hear some tips and tricks from the experts. We've invited some experts in the world of coffee and chocolate to share their knowledge with us. First up, meet renowned chocolatier Claire. She emphasizes the importance of quality when it comes to choosing chocolate. Her tip: opt for dark chocolate with a high cocoa content. It's not only healthier, but its intense flavor can stand up to the robustness of coffee. Next, we have Joe, a coffee connoisseur. He suggests experimenting with various coffee brewing methods. From French press to pour over, each method can bring out different flavor nuances that pair wonderfully with chocolate. For those with a sweet tooth, Barista Lily has a delightful suggestion. Try making your own mocha at home by adding a piece of your favorite chocolate to your coffee. As it melts, it creates a sumptuous, creamy treat that's hard to resist. Then there's Mike, a seasoned coffee and chocolate pairing expert. He recommends starting your pairing journey with a medium roast coffee and a semi-sweet chocolate. As you develop your palate, you can start exploring more complex pairings. Lastly, we hear from Chef Anna. She suggests incorporating coffee and chocolate into your cooking. Imagine a coffee-rubbed steak served with a dark chocolate sauce. Sounds mouthwatering, doesn't it? These tips and tricks from our experts are sure to enhance your coffee and chocolate experience. Remember, there's no right or wrong when it comes to pairing these two. It's all about finding what tickles your taste buds. Now, you're ready to host your own coffee and chocolate tasting party.